Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can add free shipping for your products in BigCommerce. And there are actually two ways how you can do it. So let's start. First, I'm going to show you how you can do it for a specific product, and then I will show you how you can do it for a whole store. So for specific product, I want to open product, and let's say I get this year Nick Shoes 2020 edition. All I need to do is go, where was it? Shipping details. No. Oh, here it is, yeah. Shipping details. And you got a fixed shipping price. And all you have to do is just click here, free shipping. When you're going to click on free shipping, automatically the product is going to be shipped for free. So when I have it, the second way how we can do it is when you're going to go on the store setup. And then you are going here for shipping. And here you will have it. So let's say that you got shipping rules. And you can add different shipping zone, or you can just configure your zone you want, and you're going to have free shipping here. Use free shipping to improve checkout conversions, increase average order value, and reduces abandoned carts. Turn it on. So now you can also limit to order over if you would like. Like let's say that someone is going to order over 50 euro or 30 euro. And it's going to be like that, yeah. So that's kind of it. If you want, submit. So everything is going to be free shipping. You got also real-time shipping quotes, FedEx, etc. Then you got flat rate. Then you got ship by and pick up in store. If you got store, they can come to your retail and just buy it. And that's kind of it. So this is how you can add free shipping for your BigCommerce store. If you have any questions, just ask down below in the comments and I will try to help you. And that's kind of it. So thank you everybody. And I hope you're going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.